What's up YouTube, it's your boy Mr. Lacoste, and I'm back with another trading video. So in today's video, I'm basically just gonna be going through a few pointers on how I caught this beautiful trade on Nasdaq. It's absolutely beautiful. So yeah, I'm basically just gonna be giving you a few pointers, the setups and the patterns I saw, which motivated me into taking that beautiful trade. So with that said, let's get into the video. So I have my charts loaded up on the screen right now. So yeah, we caught the trade right from this area. If I can just is it even recording? Oh yeah, it is. So we caught the trade from this place, right from there, and we are currently still holding it right up until today, and today is Friday. We caught that trade last week Friday. So yeah, it's currently going good, still up here, still in beautiful profit. So our stop loss, we've moved to break even, not break even, but we just moved it up to these areas just to lock in potential profits in case the market turns back around. So we locked our profits, or our take profit, which is stop loss. Now we moved our stop loss to this point, so in case the market decides it's coming down, or in case the market decides to turn direction and come down, it's gonna hit our stop loss, closing us in profit. So yeah, so I'm just gonna clean my charts. So first of all, before jumping into a trade or doing anything, I would normally analyze the markets on a higher time frame, which the time frame I mostly use is the 4-hour time frame. So you would just get the higher time frame and just figure out the overall direction of the market, basically, which in our case is an uptrend. The way you can identify whether the market is in an uptrend or a downtrend is by the market. In our case, it created a higher high and pulled back to create a lower high, broke our previous higher highs, created a lower high, then created another higher high, then pulled back, creating another lower high. So this just indicates that the market is in an uptrend, which the best, or which we would be buying, obviously. So we buy when the market is creating higher highs and higher lows, and we sell when the market is creating lower highs and higher lows, just like that. When the market is on a down movement, we sell it. When it's on an up movement, we buy it. So that's just the basics. Okay, so yeah, on the 4-hour time frame, I basically just saw the market creating high highs. So let's just remove this. So I just start from the beginning and just explain how I basically just got the trade. Okay, so we're just gonna clean our charts. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna take a trend line, so and just connect our trend line to our lower highs and lower lows. So this one would be there, and this one would be here. So by now, I guess that some of you might know how to draw your trend line. So If you guys want me to explain how to draw trend lines and trend line breakouts, you guys can just comment down below and just let me know, because yeah, I'm assuming you guys know that. So yeah, we have our supporting trend line and our resisting trend line, which I'll draw right about now. So yeah, so we have our trend line. So this just gives us a basic view of the market going upwards in an uptrend now. Okay, so the market is currently in an uptrend. Okay, so that's what we saw. So now knowing that the market is in an uptrend, I started looking for places where I can jump in for a buy, basically. So I saw this area as my support zone, so meaning that if the market turns around, this is where I'm gonna be buying from, because with Nasdaq it shoots up, then it retraces, shoots up, then it retraces. So I was looking to carry, or I was looking to enter a buy right on that retracement. So it did exactly that at this area. Oh no, let me get something else. Okay, so it was right along this place where I saw the market pushing up. So it was here where I was busy analyzing the market. So it shot up, then it came back at these areas. So when it came back to these areas, I saw that no, the market failed to break this support. So it came here bullishly, stopped, gave me this long wick, then when it opened again, or when it opened a new candle, it shot up, came back down, then failed to break these areas. Another candle opened up again, it failed to break these areas once again, which just showed me that no, this is the strong zone. So let me enter my buys at these areas. So this is where we took our first buy and basically just put our first take profit. Our first take profit was somewhere along this area. As you can see there, we exited some of our trades at this area, and some of our trades are currently still running. As you can see, some of our trades are still running right up to today, which is Friday, and we entered the trade on Friday, last week Friday also. So yeah, we're in beautiful profits, no bad results and anything like that. So yeah, let me just go down to a lower time frame. Okay, the 1 hour. So on the higher time frames, I would normally just look for basic or for the market direction. So on the 4 hour, it showed us an uptrend. So on the 1 hour, I'm basically just gonna look for how the market moved when it reached the zones, how it closed. So here you can just see that it took how many candles? It took we took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles before the market pushed to the upside. So it took a little time, meaning that the uptrend or the buy was basically just gonna be a little slow, because it took time breaking the zone, or not even breaking the zone, just resisting from this area. Because normally it would just take somewhere around 4 or 5 candles just to get that momentum to shift upwards, basically. So this is not an in-depth video, it's just a basic view on how I caught the trade. So I entered the trade on the 15-minute time frame. So let me just move. Okay, on the 15-minute time frame, just zoom in. Yeah, so the market came crashing down. It tried, or it went up for a buy. So this is how I saw it. I had my trend line there, then just something like this, in which the market pushed up, pulled back, pushed up again. Now for me, I was a bit in a rush, so I saw this as support at first. And thought that the market isn't gonna break, so I entered buys, thinking that when the market comes up to this area it's gonna break out, in which it didn't. So it came down, so the markets broke that zone, or that level of support I had drawn up. It broke that, but didn't take us out on our stop loss, which was somewhere at this area. So it didn't break our stop loss, it just reached this area, then shot right back up. So our stop loss was right along this area. So yeah, the market came back down again, went up. We were in a bit of profit, but it came back down again, just to account for the people who didn't enter in a trade, or who entered way too early like me in a trade, whose stop loss would be somewhere along this area. So it came crashing down. Some people were taken out, but we were still in the trade basically. So as you can see, it came down at this area, then turned back up, because we had a strong zone of support at this zone, which I saw. So it failed to break this zone or this level, then just shot right up into profits, and it's currently at, or it's way past, so it's at 15,000. So it's still rising, it's still going up, just basically creating high highs and low lows, high highs and low. So yeah, so if you guys want me to explain, or just explain the strategy I was using, the trend breakout, support and resistance, just comment down below whether I should explain that specific strategy, because here I just explained the overall view I had on the trade before entering into the trade basically. So yeah, that's gonna be it. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment down below, and share the video to a friend if you found it valuable and learned something new basically. So yeah, it's been Mr. Lacoste, and peace.